welcome to my channel Testing Talks Latest. Today I am going to explain about how to install Selenium with Eclipse. Eclipse is an IDE which will be used to run Selenium. You can install Eclipse IDE from the URL eclipse.org downloads. Here you can download the latest IDE. Once you download the IDE, Eclipse IDE for Java developers, you can install that IDE and you can open the workspace. Next step to install Eclipse is install JDK. JDK is included with JRE from the version Java 11. JDK will be available in the following URL in website oracle.com. I am providing each and every step one by one and even URLs for each step. Once you have opened the JDK URL, here you can download JDK versions. JDK 24, JDK 21 is available, and you can download the version based on the requirement. And for Windows you can download exe. Once JDK file is downloaded and you have to install the JDK. I already installed JDK in my machine. Once JDK is installed, you can check the version of the Java and JDK using the commands Java version and Java C version. If you type Java version, it will provide the JRE version you have downloaded. So I already installed JRE. I can search with Java version command from command prompt. So it is the version 22 I already installed in my machine. If I want to see JDK version, I can type Java C version. So JDK version is 22.0.2. Once JDK is installed, you have to set up the environment variables for JDK. To search environment variables, you can type environment variables in search bar and click on the edit system environment variables. Click on environment variables in the dialog, which will open system variables and user variables. When you click on new, you can create path of the JDK by typing Java home and JDK path. If I go to program files, I can see the JDK path. C program files, Java, JDK. This path I have to take and I have to copy in the variable value. So as I already created, this is the variable it is created, and you have to add bin path to path variable. I already added Java home /bin. So this is the way to add JDK variables for environment variables. Once JDK setup is done, you can verify the installation with Java version and Java C version, Java compiler version. Later we have to download Selenium jars. Selenium jars will be available in the following URL: selenium.dev downloads. Click on the selenium.dev downloads and see the Java Selenium downloads. Here we can download the version 4.33. Now I am going to create a Java project with the name Selenium project. And convert this project into TestNG. I used Eclipse Marketplace to convert the TestNG. You can install TestNG in any way. One way is Marketplace and another way is using jar. Download the jar from URL and you can install it. And second way is from Marketplace you can download TestNG and you can use it. And there is one more framework which is called JUnit, which will be used for testing. So TestNG is comparatively have better features. So testing team mostly using TestNG as a testing framework. So I have already installed, it is showing install. You can install TestNG and later we can convert our project into TestNG project and add the classes to run our project. I am going to add a test which is named login test. I am going to create this test and we can use it. And we need to remove this module info.java, otherwise it can cause errors. So I'm going to add class name tests from test folder login test. After installed TestNG, we can install Selenium jar. So we have to extract it from Selenium zip. After extracting Selenium jars from the zip, we can click on configure build path, right click build path and configure build path and associate libraries by using add external jars. All the associated libraries can be added to the class path and apply and close. Later we can create a test files and page files. So I'm going to create a test package, later pages package. Writing the test class login test and page class login page. So login test will have a test annotation and import the annotations. I'm calling login page, login, new login page, and login dot launch URL. I did not created this method in launch page, so I'm going to create it. Login page need to be imported. Now it is fine. So I'm going to create a WebDriver, Chrome driver assigned. Importing the WebDriver, passing this driver to launch URL. So for this, I'm using WebDriver from login page. So I'm calling get method and http google www.google.com. Now I call WebDriver, so since this is Chrome driver, I'm going to use system.setProperty. WebDriver driver dot Chrome and specify the path of the Chrome driver. I have downloaded my Chrome driver under this C drive. I'm going to call this Chrome driver. You can find Chrome driver from Google. So this is the location of the Chrome driver. I'm not using WebDriver manager for this test. Let me run it. So there is a problem. While calling Chrome driver, from this page, let me try directly in the test. still there is a problem. We did not assign the test to Chrome driver. That is a problem. We'll import Chrome driver and save the test. Let me run it. Yes, our test is successful. Now we'll try to call from other page. Yes, it is working. So that is the setup for Selenium, and in the next tutorials I am going to explain how Selenium will work, and test setup with automation test setup, automation framework setup, and other concepts. So guys, please subscribe to support me for other tutorials. Thank you.